We're making oatmeal chocolate chip peanut butter bars.
Glazed with a peanut butter icing, chewy and delicious.
Our first four ingredients are each 1/2 cup, including a 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter and a 1/2 cup of softened butter, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Very smooth. We're going to mix together our dry ingredients in a separate bowl, and we begin with 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We have 1 cup of quick cooking oats. We have 1 room temperature egg that I'm slightly beating, and we need vanilla. 1 teaspoon, add another 1/2 teaspoon. And into our prepared 13 by 9. Take a piece of wax paper and spread this evenly. Our peanut butter chocolate chip oat bars are going into a 350-degree oven. I removed these from the oven at 20 minutes because they had achieved a light brown color, and we stick the toothpick in and it comes out clean. We're leaving these in the pan for 10 minutes, and we are going to blend our icing. Our icing has 3 ingredients, beginning with a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and 2 tablespoons of milk. So that icing only takes about a minute. That is so good. We're gonna let our big bar completely cool, and then we'll slice it into smaller bars.